Hey everyone, and welcome to Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Today I'm going to be showing you a huge haul that I made from Five Below. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. Okay, so today, you guys, I am doing a haul that I did from Five Below. I've been getting a ton of requests for some Valentine's Day itty bitty knit kits that I haven't been able to find. So apologies for anyone that's been requesting these kits. Again, if you don't want to wait for me to find the kit, I would recommend taking a clear image of the instructions and sending it to me via email. My contact information is in the description box below. Alright, now I did find 4 of these kits. If there are more, let me know in the comments below. But these are the ones that I'm going to try to push out right away since obviously Valentine's Day is over. But here we have Love Gnome. I've been requested to make this one. We have Flutters. I haven't had any requests for Flutters yet, so that'll probably be in the back burner. I have Kisses. I don't, and if I'm wrong, let me know. I do try to go into all the comments and, you know, just make note of which ones I need to do. But Kisses, I have not received a request for that one yet, so I'm going to put that on the back burner. And then I have Love Bug. This one hasn't been requested yet, so I guess Love Gnome will be the first one that I do out of the Valentine's Day boxes that I have. Alright, so now let me show you the other kits that I found. And these ones are going to be tacked on after the holiday. And I mean, I'm going to try to go with the holiday. So if they come out with St. Patrick's Day ones, I'm just going to have to put those in front of the list. But here we have Just Peachy. I think I was requested this one. Then we have Shirley. This one has not been requested yet. Then I have Cutie Pop. Has not been requested. Lollipop. Not requested yet. Oddly enough, I think I've seen some of these on their website. So they, Bright Stripes has their own kits, which is similar to the ones that Five Below has. They just look not as polished as these ones do. But and then Pinky, this one hasn't been requested. I've been asked all over the place to do a cupcake. I haven't seen it. So again, if you have any requests and you don't want to wait for me to find it, I would recommend taking a clear image of the instructions and sending it to me via email. My contact information is in the description box as well as on my channel. But there is one more thing that I wanted to show you guys. I think it's very funny. I did also get one more thing. It's from Pusheen. If you don't know Pusheen, it's those little cute Asian cat comics, cartoons, whatever you want to call it. And I got this little blueberry raspberry fizzy drink. I don't know if I'm going to drink it. I might actually, but I love how this looks because this is going to be me all the time, every time I'm busy. Except you can put a bunch of knit kits around me. Nails. But anyway, alright you guys, so that's it for my haul. Expect the Love Gnome to be first. And I'll see you again next time. So thank you for so much for watching. This is Hooked on Needles and Crafts. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.